Hey guys, in case you missed my channel update video, I'm going to be uploading my what's sold on eBay videos once every 2 weeks. I'm going to be adding other videos into the mix. I'm still going to be shooting for weekly uploads, maybe 1 to 2 videos, and then on the weekends I might upload a tutorial based video just so those videos could generate views on the back end. But I want to keep the videos for my series during the weekdays, so Monday through Friday you could expect at least 1 to 2 videos of a dedicated series. Let's get on with the video. So we just sold something today. It is dark outside. Look at how nice the outside looks right now. The sky looks beautiful. So today we sold, let me get this out of this random box. Sorry, the lighting is a little bit off, but we finally were able to sell the Sony VHS tapes. Got this at Goodwill for about $5, new in their packaging. So took a best offer just because it didn't really sell much this week. Gonna wrap this up in this Amazon bubble wrap in addition to throwing it in a box. So gonna have to find the perfect box that we could fit this in. This is gonna work. This could potentially work. Nope. This is such a weird shape. Let's do like that. Ooh, that's gonna fit perfectly actually. All right, so we do that. Alright, so I'm going to be delivering this package. The post office is currently closed, so I'm taking it to a location called Postal Connects. I'm not sure if this is in every area, but basically what you could do is just drop off the package when your post office is closed and they'll take care of it for you. The awesome thing is that they're open usually until 8. It works out better for me because of my work schedule, being able to drive home, package everything, and actually get it shipped out that same day. So see if there's a service that is offered in your area. All right, so for today we sold this tennis racket. We sold it for $12 and the buyer paid shipping. Picked this up at the bargain bin for either like $1 to $2. Next thing we got is we finally sold another one of these rewinders, and as you guys know, we got these for about $1 to $2 each. We sold this one for $6.99 with the buyer paying shipping. All right, last thing. All right, let's see it. Let's find it. All right, last thing we sold is this Pacific Trail utensil set. So I took a best offer on this for $9 with the buyer paying shipping. Just gonna grab one of these little bags and we'll be good to go. Just gonna shove this utility set into this bubble mailer here. All right, so the next thing we're gonna pack up is the VCR rewinder here. Now I have a camera person, so you could zoom in close. Isn't that awesome? All right, wait, hold that thought.
Should I stop it?
No, you can keep going. Say something entertaining.
Like what?
What?
Like what? I don't have any entertaining words.
No entertaining words?
No.
Okay. All right, so we need these two things. Since the bottom has a little bit of an opening, I'm going to be covering that up. As you can see here, I'm just gonna be taping this down at the bottom so that they're not gonna be able to see anything. Easy. This is so much easier with a camera person.
Glad I could help.
All right, so now that I have that covered, just gonna wrap this in the bubble wrap. I think there's actually a bag. Oh, that's nifty.
Fancy.
I know. All right, so just throw this on in there. And, oh, this is a super long bag. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Maybe sliding this in there. And just look at that, how beautiful that is packaged.
Looks good.
Thank you. Are you gonna pack the tennis racket for me?
No, I don't really think that's a good idea.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna pack is this tennis racket. And this is an odd shape. Obviously, we're not gonna be able to fit it in the box and send it like that. So we're gonna have to repurpose this box here. And that's something that this utility knife is going to help us with greatly, because it has this little wheel that you can adjust and cut boxes and repurpose them. So I'm going to start off by just tearing this box down. Cut it down here. Lay it flat. So just make a little bend where I want it to be. As you can see, I just made an indentation into this box with this cutting wheel. You can see the little holes. It makes it easier for it to bend when we're ready. So this is going to be the top of the box here. So next we're going to go to its next cutting point, which I guess it could just be there. Let's see where the box naturally bends. It could move a little bit, but that should be fine. Okay, so once you do that, gonna make its next cutting point. So it's going to bend here where the box bends, and then again, bend down like this. And as you can see, it's fully covered now. So we're just going to cut off the very tip of this. Be very careful not to cut ourselves. So now you have the tennis racket completely closed off by the box, as you can see. And we just got to tape this corner here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So there we go, like that. As you can see, it's one box now, just like this. And time to cut off some of these edges. So again, just tracing along the sides. Now this is just going to bend down for the actual box, and we're going to flip it on its side after we're done. We're going to do the same to the other side. So now we're going to flip it onto the other side, coming off the tabs again. It's down. Just need to get one of these sides working for you. Alright. I think regardless, the post office is going to look at this box and be like, what the heck is this? But that's quite alright. Keep it going here. You just have to walk into the post office and be really confident, like, yeah, this is what all of my boxes look like. It's perfectly fine. Such an easy thing to package.
Stop swearing.
I'll edit this out. There we go. Alright, there it is. This is like the easiest thing you could be doing. I'll obviously reinforce this more when I have it shaped the way I want it to be. You think it's going well?
I mean, internal temp high.
You can see it is in perfect condition. Clearly done by a professional. You know, with no weird looking ends. Clearly everything is even here. Yeah, we're just gonna drop this off and not get any weird looks. Alright, today we sold another item. We sold a pair of shorts. So let's find that real quick. I know it's gonna be down here. Let's see, now the question is, which one was it? This one's American Eagle. We're looking for J. Crew. So this one's a J. Crew boyfriend shorts. Alright, I think that's the one. Which one's this? This is American Eagle as well. Alright. So we have 2 American Eagle shorts left over. I would highly recommend if you guys could find these at the thrift store and get them really cheap. We received an offer of $8 and decided to take it because sales were pretty slow this week, just due to our lack of sourcing in addition to lack of listing. Again, my exam is coming up in October, so a little bit busy with life at the moment. So let me just slap this down and confirm this is the right one. All right, J. Crew boyfriend jean shorts size 0 distressed. All right, that looks like what we're working with here. So we're gonna throw this in a poly bag and send it on its way. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. It definitely helps the channel out and shows me that you want more videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.